Welcome to Kitchens and Cocktails with Cathy. I'm standing in this gorgeous kitchen located in the Homeplace Ranch community in Monument, Colorado. It is in the Lewis Palmer School District 38 community, and this kitchen has so much to offer. Let's check it out. Let's talk about the natural light in this space. It pours in from every angle. The layout is spacious and thoughtfully designed with plenty of storage throughout. These rich wood cabinets go all the way to the ceiling, not only stunning, but practical too. Classic white subway tile adds a clean, timeless backdrop. The countertops are a beautiful quartz slab, and just look at the island. It's massive, perfect for cooking, entertaining, or gathering with friends and family. The kitchen is outfitted with high-end GE Café Series appliances, including a double oven and gas cooktop ideal for the home chef, a built-in microwave and a quiet dishwasher, and yes, there's even a wine fridge. Tucked off to the side, you'll find a charming coffee or cocktail bar nook, a fun and functional feature you'll use every day. And finally, don't miss the spacious walk-in pantry. Plenty of room to stay organized and stocked. Summertime is here, and I don't know about you guys, but one of my very favorite things is just sitting out on my porch with my husband having a nice, refreshing cocktail. And there is nothing more light and refreshing for summer than the classic mojito. What I love about this is there's just so many variations, from making it a mocktail if you want to have your kids partake, or even if you're a non-drinker, or even making it a little bit more sweet or a little bit more tart. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is you want to add in about 4 to 5 mint leaves. And what you're going to do with that is you're just going to muddle the leaves very lightly. The idea is really just to evoke that natural aroma and oils. Next, you're just going to put in the drinks. So I'm doing a Bacardi rum, the classic good old Bacardi rum. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice. I have a little tip for you. If you're somebody that's trying to be calorie conscious like me, then I just simply mix this Truvia. It's a 0-calorie sweetener, half a cup to 1 cup of water, and it tastes, to me, I can't tell the difference. So I like to use that to be conscious. Once you got all those in there, you're going to shake it for about 15 seconds. Simple, simple. Strain it over some ice. Add some soda water. I personally like to squeeze in a little bit of lime. You can add it on top. You can leave it out. A little bit more mint for taste. Stir it up. And voila. Cheers. Oh my God, so good. Shout out to Challenger Homes for allowing me to feature their gorgeous kitchen today. If you're in the market and you would like a private or virtual tour, give me a call, shoot me your text, or click the link below.